Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create animated handwriting or doodles on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. We can select blank clip. Okay, and wait, I'm going to change the canvas. And we're going to go to the text and then select the doodle, and here you can choose the type of the doodle you want to apply. I'm just going to apply this one guys, and you can activate screen recorder on your mobile phone and you can take a recording of this doodle. I'm going to write it like this and make sure you record this animation. Okay, and click on the check mark. Alright guys, and I'm going to create new project again. I'm going to go to video, select new, and you can choose a video you want to edit. I'm going to choose this one, and we're going to add the animated handwriting video we have just created. Wait, I'm going to change the canvas. Okay, and we're going to go to the PIP and then import the animated handwriting we have just created, and I'm going to crop the video. Okay, I'm just going to take this part. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to cut the video. Okay, let's play it one more time. I think I need to crop it again guys. All right, and then we're going to blend this video with our first video. I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, and we can go to the blend mode and choose the lion. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. As you can see that the animated handwriting or doodles has been added to my video. Okay, and if you want to export it, you just need to click on export and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create animated handwriting or doodles video editing using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.